Got dentures? Natural relief from pain and sores related to dentures is finally here. If you are having teeth extracted and dentures placed immediately, StellaLife Vega Oral Care not only temporarily relieves the pain and swelling associated with surgery, but accelerates the healing so you can get back to life sooner. For ongoing maintenance, the award-winning StellaLife Vega Oral Care Rinse and Gel relieves discomfort, reduces bacteria, and is easy to use. Wash hands. Step number 1. Rinse. Shake well. Swish 1 to 2 minutes. Spit out. Step number 2. Gel. Apply to affected areas or directly onto dentures. Allow gel to dissolve. Do not eat or drink for 20 minutes. Apply 4 times per day or as directed. The natural StellaLife Rinse and Gel temporarily relieves pain, reduces bacteria, freshens breath, and is opioid-free.